Good morning all. So students, in last class we were discussing the action words. So now in this class what we will do? So we will move towards the further activity given in your textbook. So it is all these are free activity before starting the lesson. Okay. So what is the next activity they have given for us? See here. Page number 3. So in page number 3 they have the activity, they have given the activity, let's listen. So what is the activity? Let's listen. Sorry, let us listen. Activity is there. In it, what they have given, see here. Note to the, okay. So now in page number 13, there is a, see here, in page number 13, there is a poem. So I will read this poem, students. So in page number 13, turn the page number 13. In page number 13, one poem is there. So I will read this poem. And what you have to do, students, you have to, while I am reading, you have to act. So what you have to do? You have to act. Okay? See, like, so okay. So you have to listen the song and you have to act, and each and every actions you have to do. Okay? So let's start the poem. I will read the poem. See, turn the page number 13. Okay. One morning. So which is the poem here given for us? One morning is given for us. It's the action song. So we have to act. I woke up one morning feeling hot and sick. I woke up one morning feeling hot and sick. Mummy called the doctor. He came very quick. So I woke up. So woke up andre eddelu. So I woke up with the action you have to do. So I woke up one morning. I was feeling hot and sick. And mummy called doctor. He came very quick. He washed his hands. Okay. Took off his coat. He looked at my eyes. Doctors usually look at our eyes. He looked at our eyes. You also have to do it. Okay. As eyes and down my throat. Like this. Okay. He touched my hand. He touched my hand and said, dear, I won't hurt you, so do not fear. Here, take these pills. He smiled and said, in a few days, you will be out of bed. Okay, this is the poem. So one morning what happened? A boy, he woke up. So what he was feeling? He was feeling hot. Bada hot agtirtide, shiki agtirtade avನಿಗೆ. And ill, aramilla anta anistirtade. Mummy called the doctor. When we feel ill, when we feel sick, then what our parents they do? They call the doctors, or else they take us to the doctors. Doctor hatra karkondu hogtara? Yes. So mummy called the doctor. So when mummy she called the doctor he came very quick, fast. He came fast to check the child. He washed his hands. what the doctors they do, they wash their hands, they wash their hands, ಕೈ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. So he also, the doctor who came quick, he washed his hands, he washed his sorry, he washed his hands, and then he took his coat. So doctors usually they wear the coat, white coat. So he took his coat. So coat ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. So he took his coat and he looked in my eyes. In the sense here, the boy, the child is telling us what he did. So he took his, he washed his hands. See the action I am doing. You also. He washed his hands. He took his coat, and then what he did? He looked in the eyes of that child. So doctors usually while checking what they do? They check the eyes like this. Okay? And after that what he did? He down my throat. So he said to open the mouth of the boy, and he checked the down throat. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ದ, he checked the down throat. Throat in the sense ಗಂಟಲು. ಸೊ throat means ಗಂಟಲನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Sorry. He touched my hand. So doctors what they do? They check. They hold the hands of the patient to check the pulse rate. So he ಹಿಡಿತಾರಲ್ಲ. So he hold the hand to check the pulse. Okay? And he said, the doctor after examining all these things, after checking all these things, doctor he said to that little boy, that dear, with the love he said, dear, so I don't hurt you. So usually what we children, what you do? So whenever doctor comes to your home, or whenever you go to the hospital when you feel sick, then what you will do? You will feel fearing. Why? Because you are afraid of injections. So for that doctor here he said that he will not hurt anything to the boy. So for that no need to worry. So ಹೆದರುವಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋವು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. In the sense he is not going to give the injection, or he is not going to give any hurting to the boy. Okay? So then after that what he said? Here take these pills. So he gave the pills, tablets. So to recover from the sickness, what we have to do? We have to take the tablets, pills. So doctor he gave the pills to the child to recover from his sickness. And so after giving the tablets, after giving the pills, what he did? He smiled. Doctor he smiled and said, so with the smile he said that in a few days. So usually doctors, when we go to the doctor, usually doctors say that you will be cured in few days. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನದಾಗ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So like that only here also the doctor said the same thing. Okay? So here I have given you the poem and with the action. I hope students, so with the action I sang the song. So you also have to sing the song with the action. ನಾ ಹಾಡನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೈ ತೊಳೆಯೋದು, ಕೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು. So all the things I did with the action. So you also have to do it with the action. Okay? So at your home, so you once or twice or thrice practice it. Okay? So one more song, action song I will show you here. See this, and with the action how that song it should be sung. So ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ. So with the action the song is with the action. Okay? So let me play the song. song, the ducks, they were acting with singing with acting. Okay. So students, here we have completed that singing activity. So let us move to the next activity what they have given. The second one, your teacher will show you few actions. Guess the actions. So I will show you some actions. You have to guess those actions. Okay. I will show you. Wait a second. I will show you. Yes students, here are some pics. Can you just tell me the actions, the first girl? So in the first pic, the girl, she is doing something. So the first girl, what she is doing? Can you tell me? Yes, she is praying. Yes. So the second boy, what action he is doing? Which action he is doing? Singing. He is singing. Yes. So next, a boy is running. What he is doing? He is running. So the girl, she is crying. Action. Which action is going on? Crying. Yes. So next girl, she is eating. So what she is doing? She is eating. Yes. So the next boy, what he is doing? Yes, he is walking. What he is doing? He is walking. So next, the girl, she is jumping. Next, the boy is reading. Next, what the boy is doing is writing. Which action is going on? Writing. So next, swimming action is going on. Next, sleeping. Yes. Next action, which is the next action? Dancing. Next action is playing. Tell me, in these pictures, what the first girl she is doing? She is walking. And next boy, he is running. Next boy, he is playing with toys. So next, the girl, she is sleeping. Next, the lady, she is reading. And next, the girl, she is writing. And next, the girl, she is jumping. And the boy, he is riding the cycle. And the lady, she is talking. Talking action is going on. Okay? Yes. So now we came to know about some of the actions. So now I will show you. Some of the actions. So can you just identify those actions? You will not? Yes. So what is this? Brushing. Yes, very good. This one? Eating. Yes. This one? Crying. Okay. So this one? Reading. Yes. And this one? Writing. Yes, very good. So if I clap, the action is clapping. Dancing, na? Okay. So these all are the actions. So many actions are there. Okay. So students, here we have completed free reading activities. So in next class, so what we will do in the next class, so the lesson will start. So until today, what we have done? We have done the free reading activities. Before the lesson, we have come to know so many things. So now actually we will start up with our lesson. Health is happiness. Okay. So in next class, what I will do? I will start up our lesson and I will give you the new words. Okay, today this class we will end here. In next class we will continue. Okay.